Hello, everybody. Boom, congratulations on your first hexagon. Good morning, how are you doing? How much of your game have you done? Have you finished it already? Is it shipped? Is it on Steam? God! The screenshots! They're attacking! I already over-engineering shit. Fair, fair. Would it be game dev? Well, I've created one. I created a game state system. I'm creating that. You seem so happy by that. Boom, that's a good thing. It's a good thing. You can create a game state, load it into memory in the background, and then switch it in. Yeah, that makes sense. It's a clever way of doing it. Which means each state can be loaded and unloaded if you want. Oh. Smart. Wait, I have a very important thing to ask you. What does the game dev say when he walks into a bar? Does anyone know? Nothing that don't go into bar? No, these ones do. They do go into bars, and they say, "Can I have a Sprite?" Tequilas, hello. I heard that this week and I was like, oh my gosh, this is funny. How do good you? How you do? How was work yesterday? Did it do well? Guys, we're being hostile actors right now. What? Oh right, because we're using HTTPS. Aside from being hyper focused on my own mortality lately, I'm doing okay. What sprung that sudden change in thinking? Have you just been like doing stuff differently now, like going to the gym or working out or eating better? Because apparently GPS falls under end-to-end encryption. Is kind of a reason we have that. Like, you know, imagine doing bank transactions without HTTPS or some kind of authentication, or I don't know, any kind of payment. Ow. Okay, so I forgot what I was doing yesterday. I fixed some things. Oh, I wanted to get the range working today. I mean, I've been thinking about moving a GFN, and then I'm like, wait, what am I doing financially? And what am I doing about retirement, etc.? Ah, right. Suddenly, when you've actually like got to consider more, yeah, that makes sense. Have you made any progress? Thought about it. My current retirement plan is consists of putting it into a pension, and I've looked at the projected forecast for that, and I'm like, that's not gonna be that good. I guess the only good thing is if I don't have a mortgage at that point, it should be fine. Or if the mortgage is paid off, I'll be fine-ish. But it's terrifying. Plus, I got a new car, and that's kind of got me freaked out. Fair enough. You like your new car? Is it nice? So I have a lease car at the moment. It goes back on Friday, and I'm somewhat sad because I kind of liked it. You could put 4K into a LISA and get the government will pay you 25% of what you need. Yes, and you can use that for either retirement or use it for your first home. Exec, have you seen the 1,000 articles? I don't know why Google keeps sending this to me. There's like, I keep getting, every other day I get a new article about the new UK passport laws. And it's like super scary titles, and you read in it. And all it is if you don't come back, if you have a British passport and you come into the UK without using it, you can get a fine. I'm like, oh, okay. That seems kind of just standard. Or not be allowed back in. Yeah. We have a 401 plans here, and my employee matches up to 3%. I need to go find my other 401s plans that have been lying around for decent price. Yeah. We've got it. So my bank has a good system for that here in the UK. So actually, I think they all have the same system, which is they will go and find all your pensions that you have, and they can just consolidate them for you. At the moment, I only have my current provider and the previous one, and so I'm not sure if I want to move it yet. Banks can do that. UK banks can do that. UK banks can, well, Okay, my bank allows me to basically, they've got a pension provider, so they will go and find all the pensions that I have that are not active, and then they will put them into, they can bring them all into one for me on my behalf. We also, I don't know if you guys have this, but we have things like where my bank account can pull information from my cards. So for example, my credit cards that aren't with them, it can give me all that information, so I can actually track all my spending across all my cards through the one banking app. We also have regular sized parking spaces. You guys have that? They need the larger ones though. Like, have you seen how big US vehicles are? Like, there's one of the Fords that gets shipped here, and the only reason it's allowed to get shipped here is because it's the smallest one they sell. And I'm like, what? What? What do you mean? How am I going to do this? Oh, right. One thing we need to change is this needs to no longer be. Here's a percentage. Space percentage. Save. Right, so then the base is going to be, it's currently 40 units, which is tiny. So let's make it 100. 100. Then 125, 150, 75. 200, and then 2. Bro, I can't turn off AI suggestion in C line. I've tried it everywhere. Just embrace it. It's now the new norm. It's annoying. There's one of the AI suggestion things that's just annoying me. Oh, fun fact. I discovered this week, because usually I go on Instagram like every day. Apparently, if you don't go on Instagram for more than a day, they email you about notifications on Instagram. And I thought that was annoying, so I unsubscribed for that. And they're still sending me emails. I think Ryder also has some kind of AI stuff built into it now as well that's kind of free that you can use. What I found interesting about that is there was something I was doing the other day and it was completely spot on for what I needed, and I was like, that's weird. Not surprising, yeah. The unsub feature for emails is basically useless. I know that Gmail has a feature somewhere built in that I've seen a few times that they will try and unsub for you. I think what they do is if you've clicked unsub and you still get the emails, they just block the emails somewhere on their side. When I sign up for things, I do my email address plus Instagram at gmail.com. Yep. I did that. Then you know who sold your data? Yes. I started doing that a while ago as well for a lot of them. Because Gmail actually tags it for you. Or you can block with an extension. Ooh, that's a good point. It should be really big now, right? That's what she said. Doesn't look like it's applying the damage to multiple. So check that. Let's just do this. Right. Okay, so there's a bug there. Okay, so the multiple does work. Just need to actually put the post together. Fine, so that does work, but then I need to fix the default's not working. So it's 125, 100. So let's see, why does the default? So, and then in place. So this is set splash damage. This is only used there. Huh? Ooh. I'm making liberal use of C++ friends class. Lol. I've barely used Unreal Engine's friend class. It's actually something I haven't come across as much as I expected to come across it. Shouldn't we be calling the set on this? Shouldn't be doing this for all of them. We'll take this, and we go to this. That one. Yeah. We do upgrade state equals 0, upgrade things equal to that, is max levels false, that. Then upgrade states, we add all of this based off of the upgrade data. But don't we want to actually do this, where we go like this, and then say that it wants upgrade data dash type, upgrade type, comma, upgrade data, hold on, upgrade, nope, not you, upgrade data dash base value, so that everything actually gets whatever we've set in that other class. I feel like this is what we want. Let's check. Because otherwise what ends up happening is we set that file, which is supposed to be our base class, and that's it. We never actually get any data across. The sun's out today, it's weird. That being said, I don't think I've seen the sun since... Actually, I don't know. I don't remember the last time I've seen the sun. Wait, I saw it for like an hour and a half while I was driving the other day. I'm not really helping with the UK stereotype, am I? What the heck? So now putting this one down, if I go and I press upgrade, actually not even upgrade, splash, that should actually have a range of 100. That looks much better. Fantastic. Okay, so that's fixed. Fix towers not using the grade base. Okay, so that's done. Next, I wanted to be able to modify its range. So actually, does that work? Surely that should already work. We go apply upgrade to tower, set range. That should work. How do we debug that? Maybe we should start with what is the range? Apparently it's just called new row. So according to this one, yeah, this can't be correct. Because if I put a cannon tower down, it's saying that attack speed, damage, attack range is 600, upgrade. Range is 0%. Here we go, attack range. So if that's attack range, let me set the base for this. Where's the decal? So that's that. Decal size is just a F vector of 1. So let's do this. Oh, yeah, detection sphere is that. Decal range is that. So let's go create a new function called void update tower range. It's going to take a U function. Oh. Make it a U function. Let's take it a float in range like that. Then we can go like that. Do that. Yeah. We want that and that. Do we need this? I don't know. Hold on. So, attack range is this. It should just be attack range. I just realized I could probably make a Cupid on my desk and do quantum computing in my room. Ooh. You went from making a game to now I'm building a quantum computer in your room. Mm. So update. Attack. So attack. This is used up here. So set up components. Initialize upgrade. Okay, so it does call. So I guess the way we know this is working is it's broken. So it should come up with a range of, what would it be? 100? No, it's 1. Isn't it actually 0? The range would just be 0. How dare you? Are you upset? Man, this place is great. It works. It works. See, there's no range. There's no range. This tower should not be able to attack now. There's a range of 0. I'm an idiot, but I'm smart. But yes and no. I'm confused, actually. It doesn't work. I've never been so happy to see something not working. Actually, also, if I go like this and I put this down. That's fine. Doesn't work. It's so good. I suppose that it doesn't work. It's good because it means it does work. So. Okay, so what should it be? Let's go 600. $800. Let's go 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,200. Let's see if this upgrades. So, we place a cannon tower down, we select it, we add some upgrade points. we upgrade? Now, let's see. Range. Bam. 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 That range is insane. Let's bring it down a bit. What? What? Okay, 650, 700, 750, 800, and then we'll do like 900. What? Also, you're not a percentage, so stop pretending to be one. STD unordered map int with a standard vector, which is of a standard vector of standard function of void your key binding. This is particularly close. Do you think? You think? What? Isn't it kind of, in some weird way, kind of beautiful that it could just do shit like that? I mean, it's the best way I could think of writing callbacks. It's a very smart way of doing it, to be completely honest. I think it looks very cursed, but its functionality is actually very well optimized. Or maybe not well optimized, but it's good. It's fit for purpose, that's the word. Since each key is a particular issue. I actually think this tower's initial range is too big, so let's start with that. So let's go 400. Wait, I'm going to need to give each thing an ID or something. A unique ID or just an ID. Just hash it. Why don't you just use the hash? No, yeah, you need more data to hash it, don't you? You need a second one. Don't you think it's kind of cruel sometimes that Microsoft gives you all these wonderful backgrounds of places that you feel like you'll never be able to go in your entire life? Yes, okay. At least it's not just me. Like, they just showed me this like amazing image of this like some place, and I was like, whoa, that looks great. There was a image they showed me the other day, and I was like, oh, that looks great. I'd love to go visit that. I looked up where it was, and I was like, nope. Okay, that looks good. And the best part is, sell that tower. This should work, all of them. It doesn't, because they don't have an initial range. Where's the missile tower's range? So it's technically at a 0 range now. The only nice thing about how this is set up is actually, I could actually make it that some of the fields are hidden, so I can configure them, but you don't actually ever get them, do you? Okay, so that worked, and that was what I was expecting to do. Well, actually, what we should do before we do that is let's open the gun tower. Let's give it a range. I need to fix why that happens. I want to fix this snapping. Why does this happen? Why, if you can't find it, does it zoom up to the camera? Does it get stuck there? Yeah, it's like if it's red replacement, it just zooms into your face. I think what it should do is snap to the bottom, wherever the mouse is. Temtic! 23 months! 23 months! Temtic! So much spam! The paparazzi are here! Thank you for the 23 months, Temtic. How are you? How are you doing? Right, I can't answer because spam protection. Oh. Good on you. I'm pretty good with you. I was in Sweden this week. Look at that. Okay. I want a chair. It's my player controller. Called PC, isn't it? So I want the VP plot component. So event begin player began overlap. Update the material. So update material. Set material. What do you have to do, Dick? Have you had lunch? That was a very weird bar. I'll take that, Tim. Like a fall. But because this is a back fall, I should be able to reduce the opacity. .65. What does that look like? Oh good, Sada is learning art. Red ball goes in square hole. Yes! I agree. Red ball in square hole. How are you doing, God? Apparently you're quite mad at me because I killed someone, according to my drong. He kept poisoning me with your English cuisine. What is this? This is opaque, translucent. Add it. Let's play that. That's kind of cool. Let's go with that one. And let's go with that. Or was it two? I think I control that. How have you been, Cog?
I've seen you. I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the lost rock.
I wonder if this is too bright. Try with the green.
Do you remember the type of folk we used to be and the simple souls we used to see?
We'll die like dogs without Dixon out in the dirt because my drunk sent us in a raid with bone armor and some shit. Lol. Additive default mix. Must be the player controller that we do the update placement. Oh, here we go. I've been alright. Had my birthday dinner a week late, so my partner and I could both have a birthday meal out. I've had walleye with mashed potato and a brandy old fashioned. Ooh, that sounds nice. I do like a good old fashioned. Well, happy birthday. I hope it was a good dinner out. So this is the old one. Then this is update placement. So here we convert this to this. What's going on here? So this goes into there. Let's just fix this out a bit. That can go there. Made some Silent Hill tools, so it's been alright. Nice. Okay, so how does this work? Trace start, trace end. Then implement interface for this. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Pass to BP grid cell. How have you been? I've been alright. I was in Sweden this week. I was away last weekend. So it's been quite busy. It's been a pretty chilled weekend so far. I've got a very busy week this week coming up. So we'll see how that goes. What else? Yeah, that's basically about it. got some progress on this, which is good. Did you finally get a house? I found a house, and it's in the process of going through all the additional steps. At the moment, I don't even have a timeline for when it'll be done, which is kind of annoying because the place we're currently in, we have to give notice, or technically, we have it until I think July. So the closer the house finishes, then the better it would be. I'm seeing cleaners are in for real. What do you mean? Or should I get crime scene cleaners in when I get the house? That's how you get a cheap house. Oh, fair. So if it's a valid spot, we do that. Otherwise we do... Man, this code's cool. Thank you for the look. That's weird, because it's actually bringing the mouse closer to me. So something, which is weird, because it should trace only to the floor. I go F8. Oh, weird. So that's where the camera position was. So it's like placing it there, and then it gets shorter and shorter and shorter as it gets to the screen. Why? Is it maybe hitting itself? Yeah, because there it says gun tower. Hold on. Is it because it's hitting itself? There, landscape, landscape, landscape. But there's like a situation where it hits the tower instead. So, if that's the issue, that should be super simple to solve. Cost the BP grid cell. I wonder if what the solution is that when we go the event graph, how do we spawn a tower? Place tower. Yeah, so set enabled. Tower data, spawn actor of type. And then this is going to be set get tower. Do I have any? Is this a tower thing? It is a tower class. Then the solution to this might just be for the tower to not be able to be line traced by itself. World's static. World's dynamic. Do we need to ignore anything with the collision preset of tower? Actors to ignore. Do we have access to the actor we're currently using? I think we do actually. That was easy. That seems to have fixed, like, all the issues. What are you guys' opinion on the new shader that I'm using here? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you prefer the other one? I feel like it's harder to see. So, like, there's the green one. Because you can't really see what the tower looks like. Maybe I should turn the debug off. It looks shady. Ah! God damn it, Tim. What the hell? It looks shady. Really? Really? I mean, you're not wrong. I don't know. I'm like wondering if... Okay, let's do this. So let's go... Who made you laugh? True. What do you think of this one? That did not change. It seems too bright. But I think I prefer it. Okay, we'll go back. Oh, because I also have a mission on. Let's try to take the mission off. Let's make it less bright. I'll clip it for your YouTube shorts. Thank you. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so let's save that. can't remember what I fixed. So fix tower placing jumping times. You like it, you hate it. So the other one, what are you guys' opinion on the new shader that I'm using? If you like it, you hate it. So the other one, I feel like it's harder to see. Like, is the green one? Because you can't really see how it looks. Oh my god, I tried to press the stop button on the stream. I tried to press the stop button. Miscellaneous fixes. Oh, that's actually not a bad idea. Thank you. Actually, no, this was... Fixed tower range not updating the detail. There's that, and then I'll just go with miscellaneous fixes. I really need to merge this branch back in. I've been on here for like too long. How are you doing today, Mydron? Apparently chugging. Okay, so I fixed all that I was expecting to fix today, so now I've got to remember what else I wanted to fix. I suppose what I should probably do is make sure I have all the upgrades I want. So that's the cannon, that's... So what would a normal gun tower have? It would have attack damage, attack range, critical strines, critical hit, and critical chance. What else would it have? I have team. Yay. So the other thing I wanted to do is actually change the spawn time for this. Attack speed, I'd initially planned to change that, but I'm thinking of actually not doing that anymore. Splash range, arc jump. So I think 4 is fine. Giving too much is probably also an issue. So this one has damage, range, critical chance, and critical damage. Then this one has damage, range, splash. I should actually rename this. So range is going to be tower range, attack range. This one is going to be splash. Splash damage. Splash. Explosion range. Come here. And you're going to be attack. Damage. Should be able to stop play. Damage, attack range, chance, critical. This one. Damage, attack range, explosion range, critical chance, and critical damage. Good, good, very good. Look. So those are all fine. Those should all now work. Good.
What you gonna do? Now let me see you go. I'll see you again. Pop that. Now let me see you go. I'll see you again. Pop that. Go. Now let me see you go. I'll see you again. Pop that.
It's a weird amount, right?
Hello there.
So that's why I didn't get a response from you. Oh, did you message me? Yes, yes, that's why you didn't get a response from me. How are you doing, sweetie Addict? This looks very stretched. Sleepy, lol. Go take a nap. Go take a nap. Eating was fine. That's good. Did they give you £1 billion? We'll see the outcome.
What you gonna do with it?
Do you see a car outside your window on your driveway? No. Why do you ask? That to me, they did not give us billion. Duh. God damn. So sad.
It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, it changed their mind. 'Cause you were sweet and looking like you care, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings?
What did you do to female? I saw some changes, some files for the female. Oh, I was doing the movement stuff that I told you about. Because you have a master for them, but you don't have a they don't have a shared one as far as I can tell. Oh. You're an invalid Ronin. Yes, they do. Do they? I'll have a look. The child? The child inherits from the master. So if I have to do it in the child, then I have to do it for both. It's best to do it in the parents. You don't have to copy the work into two different ones. Unless you want them to be the same thing done in two different ones. Base value would be 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's fine, we can discuss it later. Alrighty. Okay, so that's done. What is this one? This is electric house. I need range. Just go like this. The localization, common, range. Common. Range say 8 p.m. I'll need to see if I can do 8 p.m. Someone say something. Hey. Ping me, I'll get a notification this time. We'll see if you do. We will see. Who was a gremlin? How are you? Input works, nice. It's 10 a.m. I have no obligations. I'm a cat. What a nice line. Visions for what? X6 building a game. Cats are the best. Once you import your custom ones and set up collision as used. No collision too. No bolts in collision box or anything. Oh! All from scratch.
Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll be fine.
Chance.
Cause nothing's ever black and white. Cause nothing's ever black and white.
Hello. How do you say that? Toonie? Toonie? Hello, Toonie.
I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song.
Because I need to make a game or two for my CV. Don't you have tons of stuff ready for your CV? Every other day you're making something.
Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white.
Game dev plays well near me, and I have no game dev project fair. Where is near you?
They was sleeping, they was snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me? I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny.
I want to delete that.
Hey, you buy my shit, I want percentage. Yeah. Put you in your mind like fuck your business. Yeah. You never had a chance like an abortion. Broken. You don't wanna play with me, this forfeit. Shit. Took it to a place they never thought he could. Now the lone wolf is hounding up in Bollywood.
Damage of this should be like
Some confidence, they call me cocky. Put your fucking tiger in the eye, I feel like Rocky.
make it 1. 1.25. 1.5. 75. And then just do 2. Make it 4. And delete. I think the way I'll do collision is make each collider register itself with a list of colliders. That way I can compare against them without iterating across every act and every component. Yeah. And it can be on its own thread. Currently rendering is on its own thread. Inputs on its own thread. That makes sense. chance. Damage. The missile should be... I feel like the damage of these needs to be really, really high. Let's try 250. Then let's go with 350, 450, 550. And we're just gonna go, actually, not even 5, let's just go 600. Set this to 3. Delete that. Delete that. Then range, like these I want to have like massive range. They're only going to have 3 range. The base range is going to be 1,000. Then the upgrade of that is going to be 1,500. 1,000. Let's make it 2,000. And then the last is going to be 3,000. Absolutely incredible range. And crit chance is actually surprisingly good. And good. And then range is a percentage for whatever reason. I need to change the default enum value of that. So this is upgraded data. Upgrade data. You. What is your default? It should be false for both of these. So sick and tired of playing that. Let's give this a try. So that's done, that's done, that's done. So let's have a look. If I put a missile tower down, it's got... What if the default range is too small? So if I upgrade, you can see it's like, it's small. Considering how it is max range. Okay. For now, I'm gonna change this to 1,005. We should just make it. Let's make it 1.5. And 2,000. 2500, 3,000. I'm going to increase its damage for now as well. So damage, let's make the damage 400. And 550, 700, 900. So this thing at full tilt is just going to be so strong. So if we start, just upgrade, just give it max upgrades. Let's see how hard a missile hits. Come on, fire. Which one do you shoot at? That's 100 health each, isn't it? It is. That's not getting... that's not getting the data over, so... Let's see. Missile. Projectile. Yeah. Initial speed, max velocity. So that's tick. Where do we construct? Missile tower. So attack target. We get that. We set up the projectile with all of this. Get the target. Ooh, that's fine. But we need this. Yeah, there's the damage. Let's give that a try.
Like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pit in my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
And I need to decrease the damage of this tower because he should one hit all of these at 500 damage. Attack damage is wrong. Why is the attack damage wrong? Ah, the attack damage is wrong because I didn't actually read the base of this. Unless I'm looking for this one. Tower actor. What does attack target do in tower actor? Attack target. It should be doing this. Yeah, so we calculate the damage. And here, what do we do? So we say that it's 100. So let's go into it. Okay, so what is the... Back to you. So what's the attack damage? It's 400. Or... It is literally no way, unless this mathematical calculation is wrong, that there should be 100. So the crit is true. So then we're saying this is 400 times 10. So that's 4,000 divided by that, divided by 100. Oh, it's like 40. Wait, what does this return? That's actually correct. That's fine. That math is fine. So then, who changes that? So we do that. Attack target. We go into there. Missile. See, the attack damage here has changed. And this one has its own attack structure. It does. Is this public? Why are these public? Yeah, that's why we're having a problem. There we go. Why did it do damage twice? Which towers are static? Apparently lasers static as well. Technically, is it? Let's actually remove the static versus. We'll just make them a component of it at power. That would actually be easier. I think that would be actually much better architecture style. Just the component we add that then will rotate. The spawn time for shooting for this is too slow. Okay, good.
turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with
The damage at range. Okay, wait. This is what I actually. Inside of this, we've got. Let's just reorganize all this because I don't like how it's set up. So we've got the set delegate, we've got the set placement mode, we've got get tower information, fine, we've got anti-damage, that's fine, that's fine. The upgrade component, we need that, with the upgrade table, that's fine. Tower type. Apparently this is used in 4 blueprints. Where is it used? So I see why we have that there. That's just how big. An attack range should be attack range, attack damage, attack speed, crit chance, crit amount, and the attack strat. This should all be private. Okay, fantastic. There we go. Okay. Let's make getters for all of them now. Attack range, attack damage, attack speed, control. Now we can have some public get set. These also move. Yeah, we've got set. Got setters, set range, damage, attack speed, crit thing. So now we just need getters for it. This will be float. It'll just be return. Attack. Cost.
Let me stay with you. Even asking you just one night. I don't know about your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. We can say what we can do, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can say what we can do, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else. There's nobody else.
Oh, float.
There's nobody else.
Whoops.
Let me stay with you. Even asking you just one night. I don't know about your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. We can say what we can do, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can say what we can do, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else. There's nobody else.
Let's see what's broken. do I need to set on the attack struct? We need to set the target. So let's make a function that set attack target is going to take
You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it. You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it. Tonight.
okay. So that will update that, which allows us to sort out this. So we don't need this. And what we do is we call set attack target. We give it a target. And then we just call get attack struct. That was the next one. So set attack range. Okay, so we're gonna need more of these. Set attack. Let's actually go back to this. See, this is so broke. I couldn't make a vector of pointers, but I can make a vector of structs that only member as a pointer. LOL. Let's rename this set attack struct target. Set attack struct target. Okay. Let's do this again. Void set attack. Did I rename this? Did. And press the next button. Float, float, pool, float, pool. That's just the word, though, so it's fine. Kind of mean, though, don't you think? Aha, head break. Cooler time.
I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me. It tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost, but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just know that you can. Yes, you can. There's life in love that you hold. Rise above and let it glow. Just know that it's never too late to make a change.
How do you spell ads? So I don't know. How do you spell?
Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love. Breaking through, I feel alive.
How do you do it? How do you do it?
I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn. Crash and burn. Oh, let it crash and burn. This one for the person who feels alone. This one for the
You might buy new server.
This one for the
Exciting.
live for hope. Changing better days. Pick your head up. Keep on fighting. Living, loving. Make your mind
Or
up.
cheap.
Want it, take it. Fly away. Soaring high above the clouds.
I'm just thinking that I could have killer home data center. That's good.
Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Make your mind up. Wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love.
Pavement, yes.
Just crash and burn.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through.
Holy shit, I made it. Woo! That was stressful.
Just like another season, not for long, just a time.
I think that's
Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day.
good job, Hexic.
My way this season.
Is splash damage set is splash damage true set splash radius set splash
The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new
Cool.
one
Next.
starting, I recall you came into
The problem is, like, I keep forgetting how often we use certain things. So it's like trying to figure that out. I was like, what? Ah, fuck. F struct uses untar.
Look! Look! What the fuck is this?
Why? Actually, let me do this. Isn't this? Who owns this? Upgrade damage. Sada, do you have many? Do you have many, if any, microcontrollers? I have like. I honestly don't think I have any. I keep meaning to buy some and forgetting. I have some questions. I have many questions. This is owned by who? Tower Actor. So why are we doing this? Don't do that. Just do this. And go like this. Go into it. So we don't need to do that. We can just go. It's for the same class, right? So we can just go. Attack struct. Like that. Then we can go to the parent. Like that. That. Okay, so then we can just go set attack. Or can't we actually just call attack struct? We don't have access to it. So. Struct. There. Dot. Member is inaccessible. So if the member is inaccessible, we can just go set attack struct target. Target that, like that, this, we no longer need. Dude, this is done inside of 8 hours. Fuck off. Show crit. Get it. Crit. Get attack struct. So that's add damage is valid. So what we could actually just do here is go F attack struct is equal to get attack struct. That might not work because of how this is set up. Okay, then this is done, this is done. Okay, so then begin play, so set attack struct. Being very wordy. Projectile speed. Set attack. Projectile speed. Projectile set attack. Projectile. Set attack. this. Get yourself on AliExpress and buy like 500 then for 400 pounds, easy peasy. Damn, damn. I should find myself 400 pounds, boy. Boy. You think I'm gonna get 400 pounds from this late in the afternoon? Huh? Huh? Wait, which class is this? It's type. Hello, pretty girl. That's pretty cute. Hello, pretty girl. You have a little ear right here. It's your ear. Beep, 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 beep.
I know we grew up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed. Now I need to go back. I had no worries, but always had plans. Only thing I did was pick out the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh. Hard to get up and then work on my craft. I need inspiration. Don't need no validation. No more medication. Just try some meditating. I don't need you to save me. Feel like all of you
She said, yep, it's broken up from yep, now she wants some treats.
I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain.
Oh, she's climbing away. Where are you going? Where are we going? She's on top. Hello. What? Face rubs. Face in your face. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to give the cat a treat.
Well, maybe I'm done, maybe I've lost. Still putting up a fight because I love my mom, I love my family. When I was young, they would all look after me. I don't know why, but I feel like a burden. I spent my life overthinking my purpose. I can't really cry, I'm so used to the hurt. Trauma keeps flipping me at the wrong moment. I just wanna numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain.
I have returned it. Oh, it worked. There's got to be some errors in here, right? That one I know is broken. That one should be working. think for now, let's keep it there. Whoops. Clean up and fix some of the classes. Which one didn't work? So TD electric, maybe? What is range as electric have? Attack range is fine. I'll have to fix it. Okay, fix classes, upgrade values. Alright, let's find something. Who's that? Hydron live? Hydron is live. Yeah, bro. I don't think. Yeah, I'm gonna raise dead, bro. Dead, bro. Raise. There's your raid message, everybody. I will see you next weekend. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week. I'll give you something better to look at. Yeah, look. Beautiful landscape. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your weekend or weekend. Have fun. Thank you, Haystack. Let me know how your project, your game comes along, and we'll send me pictures and stuff, and let me know what the progress is like. But anyway, everybody, bye for now. See you later. Bye.